So this week we're going to start a new unit in writing. We're going to be learning about poetry. So during these 4 days, students are going to see that poetry is a genre like fiction or non-fiction, where the author uses language to express his feelings. Like we use like rhymes or similes. We use games with words, so to make it like sound fun or sound pretty. And on Tuesday, students are going to focus on sensory poems. They're going to see that using our senses, we can write a poem. So they're going to be using first like a planner that you can see here with what you see, what you hear, what you can smell, touch, and taste. So they're going to be finding an apple in the house, and they have to see the apple, and there's different words here like green, yellow, small is a fruit. Then you have to taste it to see if it's delicious or sweet. And then what they hear when they bite the apple, and then how the apple smells, and when they touch it, how it feels. So they have different words here that they can use for their poem. So when they do the planning, then they have the worksheet where it says I see, I hear, I smell, I touch, and I taste. So they have to write a word or a short sentence about their five senses with the apple. And there's also another map here with different words that they can use in their poem. On Wednesday, they're going to be doing the same, but this time with a lemon. So they have to find a lemon in the house, and they're going to use this planning to write the color it is, and how it tastes, and what they hear, and what they smell, and they touch. And the same, they're going to use it in this poem, where the first line is I see, the second I hear, the third I smell, the fourth I touch, and the fifth I taste. And there's another poster here with different words that they can use. On Thursday, we're going to be learning that there's poems that repeat words or repeat sentences. So they're going to see this example where it says, I like the summer, I like the sun, I like the ice cream, chocolate, lemon, and strawberry ice cream. So they see the example that is always repeating, I like, I like, I like. That is something that poetry does, that they repeat. So they're going to be doing this example about what they like. And I'm going to be showing them things like that I like, so they can use it as an example for their own I like poem. And on Friday, we repeat what is a poem, what is repetition, and they're going to be learning about similes. Similes is when we compare two things. So they're going to see that with the word como, that is like. So we are comparing like is happy as a worm, is sweet as honey, is yellow like the sun, is white like the moon. So it's the words like as or like. So they're going to be using the similes to write their own rainbow poem, where they have to compare each color of the rainbow to something. I'm going to show them this example that I did, like red like Santa Claus clothes, orange like autumn leaves, yellow like bananas, green like the grass in summer, blue like the ocean, or purple like grapes. So they are gonna have to use the word like to work on what the simile is that is comparing two things. And they're gonna have their own rainbow poem to write and color. And this is our focus of writing this week.